Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Meta Business Suite application to manage my Facebook and Instagram pages, but recently it froze and wouldn't load my posts or notifications. So if you are facing the same issue, here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can use in order to fix this problem. First of all, we will just clear up the app cache inside the phone's setting. So since Meta Business Suite handles a lot of media like posts, ads, inbox messages, a full cache can easily cause the app to slow down or crash. For that, you need to simply just come out of your Meta Suite application and you need to simply long press on its icon, then tap on this icon or app info, and you will be in the app info of your Business Suite application. Now over here, tap on the storage option, and here you will see the clear data option. So tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache, and then press OK. So clearing the cache actually helps the application to run smoother without deleting your account or any data. Now if the issue still persists, you can try this second method, in which you will have to simply check and update your app's permissions. So Meta Suite needs full permission to access the storage, notifications, contacts and camera if you are posting any photo or managing the ads. So you just have to scroll down on this page and tap on the app permissions option. As you can see that nothing is allowed for Business Suite application in my device. So you just have to tap on each one of these one by one and tap on the allow option. So once you do this permissions setting in your settings, all of your problem will be fixed completely. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.